Hey sweeties, welcome to my apartment tour. Today I'm going to show you my $1,500 studio apartment here in Japantown in San Francisco. First things first, you're going to see my cat Haru, my one of two cats. Isn't he adorable? And we're going to pan into the living room here, living room area, and I'll show you my sewing nook. I have to unbox a lot of Amazon packages, I know, but we'll get to that eventually. Next is my desk that I work on YouTube videos and journal here, along with that beautiful view of the courtyard outside. Moving past the couch and the TV console here is going to be my K-pop shrine, and if you like these IKEA display boxes or if you want a tour of this, let me know. And next we're going to go into the bedroom, and we have more K-pop posters here. We have the Kids See Ghost poster from my fiance's favorite artist, Kid Cudi and Kanye West, and all our Funkos. And next is the kitchen, and that's going to be where all the food magic happens. But first we need to get into our pantry with our laundry and washing machine here, and then all our snacks, our ramen and all that good stuff. All our junk food is in this pantry here. But yeah, and then here's the wall of fame, or the fridge of fame. If you guys aren't on here, you guys aren't cool enough. I'm just kidding. You probably just didn't have room for some of you guys on this fridge. Next is my blind box collection. I put them all on top of my sink. And here's my coffee and tea station with our Mickey Mouse Christmas oven mitts. And above our stove we have Naruto eating ramen and Chef Remy. I feel like these were the guys to inspire us to cook and motivate us to cook whenever we don't want to. And then back to my desk here, I'm showing you my vision board, or my vision grid, with all my favorite Funkos. You see Prince and Selena there, you see Espeon, you see Cruella de Vil, Catwoman, and even Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. Forgot their names for a minute. And also me and Eugene's wands from Wizarding World a couple years back. We have our chocolate frog tin and Uncle Iroh drinking tea, and a cute little picture of us. And back to the entrance hall where it all starts. I'm just gonna fix the t-shirts on my We Bare Bear plushies. Those were actually written and signed by Daniel Craig, the creator of We Bare Bears, and they look kind of cute. Oh, and there's Haru again, of course, getting in my shot. But anyway, it says "Welcome Home, Ariel." I requested he write that for me, and you know, he's so cute. Haru's so cute. And now that's the end of our tour, so bye.